get me all a day. Make I tell you something now, yeah. The way that I'm feeling now, yeah, yeah. You know.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Yes, we're back. I'm back with another video for you guys. So I just did my braids today. This is off camera. If you want to see how I achieve these braids, put your comment down below. Yes, I did them by myself and things like that. So yeah, so if you want to see how I slay these braids, please leave your comment below if you want to see how I slay this box braid. So basically this is a neutral look that you can rock for like evening events, for like dinner, or you know, house get together, party, or whatever. You can actually rock. And yes, so I just created this look because you know it goes with my braids and it looks beautiful. And yes, so this is how I'm gonna be styling my hair for school. If those of you that are going to college, if you want to have like a natural look, apart from the eyes, I wouldn't do the eyes like this to go to school, but everything else definitely for school. And plus I'm not used to braids, so I will go all wild with makeup. So yeah, apart from the brightness of the eyes, so yes, as you can see close up, this is the eyes. And yeah, so just in case I'm rocking my hair like this way, I can rock my hair any type of way. So this is like a 2-week breathing. I don't need to worry about my hair for 2 weeks, and then I have to take it out and to create another look for you guys. So yeah, this is how I'm going to be wearing it, and I'll probably bring another video for you guys and how I actually slay it with box braids with your outfit for college or any other casual place that you want to probably go to, or stuff like that. If you're somebody like me, I don't really like box braids as such. I mean, I do like box braid, but sometimes I feel like it doesn't suit me because I'm so used to my weave. If you are like me, that is not comfortable with wearing box braids, and then you feel like after 2-3 days you just want to take it off because you're so used to weave, honey, you can slay it and you can rock the look. Your makeup just has to be on point. Honestly, it makes me love box braids right now, honestly. So yeah, if you want to see how I create this look for you guys, stay tuned. But before we do that, don't forget to like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and yeah, support your girl 100% all the way. And you guys will see me grow here on YouTube or Facebook. You will definitely do see me. For those of you that want to join the family, don't hesitate to, and continue to stay blessed. I love you all, and please guys, don't forget to support your Sierra Leone girls. You know, Sierra Leone girls, hashtag Sierra Leone girls on YouTube. Don't forget to really, you know, support one another and all that. So you guys can go check out Maadrion. Shout out to Maadrion, and tutusill, I think that's her name, I'm not sure. Yeah, shout out to those girls that are trying their best to, you know, be in this industry and, you know, just grow in the industry. Shout out to